Hi everyone, Archana here. In my previous video, I had a tutorial on this cover page. You can see it's a beautiful cover page I created using one of the sketch from this beautiful lady. She is Gosia, and I also used her own collection. It's by Lemoncraft and her collection name is Melody. This is very pretty collection and it came in A4 size, perfect size collection, and this collection is based on wedding or engagement. So I have created one of the engagement album which I am going to show you today. But before that I will just flip through this book for you. You can see so 2 pages of each, and I'm glad they have some sentiments in English here, and cut parts are here, lots of butterflies and beautiful pages. So I had so much fun creating this album, and this album I made for my very dearest and nearest friend. And let's see this album inside and out. I hope you will like all the pages. I kept it pretty simple since it's a very decent theme, so I didn't use much of the very bulky things in this album. Mostly I kept the same color theme inside, and let's see. So this album is 11 by 10, and the first page, and I have used all the sentiments from the same collection. So you can see I have created some corner page on this back side of the cover page, and this page, so we can open it like that. Lots of pages for photos, and it goes like that. And then here is another flip. The next page, there is one pocket here, and this tab I created to close this page as well, so it is a closure too, and it flips like that, and if you slide in, it is a closure for this page. And there is another flap here, then next page, sorry, next page I created this big belly band here, and just 2 simple pages here. Next page is very simple, just one picture page. Then next one, so like that, that. And this one, I have created this picture frame, and I opened this corner, I kept it open, and I have created one more page for a big picture, and next page is for big picture, and there is one flap here, hidden page, and the last but not the least, this one, it is a corner. So I have created these two corners for both pages. You can see here is one, here is one, and then the back side, and this is my 4-page album for my dear friend. I hope she will like it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.